In this video, I want to share with you how you can make money without having to invest anything. You just need your time and your computer or phone. And we will use Neobux. I'll review Neobux and tell you how to get started and how you can make your first $10 within a week or two. So let's get started. My name is Simon Onyango, and in this channel I make videos about how to make money online, ways and tips on how to make money online. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have another interesting way to make money online that you want me to review, please drop it in the comment section below, or follow me on Instagram and you can inbox me and I'll be glad to review it. So the program we are reviewing today is called Neobux. It's a platform that allows you to earn money from doing several things. Number one, you view advertisements. Like people like me, they put ads there and then they expect other people to view those advertisements. So when you view those advertisements, you are paid some coins, some cents for viewing those advertisements. Another way is by doing surveys, playing games, and many more. So let's get into the computer and I show you step by step on how you can make money without actually paying anything. And then, by the way, at the end of this video I'll be withdrawing, so let's see if they will pay, or whatever we are earning we are not going to be paid. So I'll withdraw $6 and see if it goes through. So guys, as you can see, this is my account. Let me log out and show you how you can sign up. So I'll give you a link. I'll leave a link on my description for signing up. Click on that link, follow the registration process, which is not hard, and start earning. So you will see, you will be brought to this page. Put in your username, put in your password, confirm password, email, referral code. It will be generated automatically if you use my link, of which I request you to use. And then verification code, they will send that to your email too. So it's just that, then you confirm those ones. And then we need to, let me just log in and show you real quick before this video gets long, because I don't want it to be long. So Neobux, I tried Neobux from back in 2016 and didn't withdraw. There is a new tip I want to show you, so let's see. So once you log in, you will be brought to this dashboard, where the main thing you do is to view advertisements. You click on view advertisements. You see I have viewed several of them today, so you normally just do that and then wait for some minutes, then confirm that you've seen by closing it, and then like that you go to the next. One thing I like with this is it's really fast. You can do it really quick. You don't view so many advertisements, like 10. If more there are 12 advertisements, it doesn't consume a lot of your time every single day. So you can see it earns me like 0.001 cents, if that is it, the US dollars. That is like 0.01 bob. It's less. Caution, this site will not make you rich. It just adds to what you already have. So if you want to make it on this site, you need advertisement, you need a lot of referrals. You need to be disciplined, watch your advertisements every single day, and then try doing surveys, play games and all that. Do mini jobs. You can see there are mini jobs, there are surveys. Like I've done a lot of surveys. This, I have $6 in my account, and they're entirely, you can see like this one, I'm about to do this. Immediately I'll finish with you guys. So these things, the survey pays more than everything else. So you can see I have $6 here, and I want to withdraw it. So another thing with this, you can rent referrals. Okay, if I refer you today and then you become a member and you are inactive for quite a long time, or I become inactive and I had referred you and you are very active, so since I'm not benefiting, because I'm going to be banned after 60 days. If you are inactive for 60 days, your account is deleted. So if my account is deleted within those 60 days, then you will remain an orphan as my referrer. So you don't have a referrer, I'm a referee. So you will be an orphan, meaning they can rent you to someone else who is willing to pay for you. So you can rent those type of referrals. You can see I've rented 10 of them and they're working well. You can see from $0.06, you can rent a lot of, you can rent 3 referrals. I always go for these 5 referrals at $1. And last time I used $2. I didn't send money here. You add money from viewing your advertisements. You can see my 10 referrals. Let me see how they are performing. You can see they have been clicking, like not so much. Some of them become inactive, some of them are active. Normal people like you, some days you will not be clicking, you may forget and all that. So these are my referrals. 3 days to go and then I should renew them. And a referral, you can run them for 30 days. So you can see my earnings here. Let me zoom a little bit. If you check my earnings, main balance I have 6.8, and then rental balance I have 0.4, and then direct purchases I've purchased $2. I used $2, so I'll just add another $2, $1 or something here to buy another 10 referrals. And then you can see how much I've earned from surveys. $7 within few days. $7 from surveys. So surveys is the big thing here. You complete those surveys and earn. Like if I complete that survey, I'll earn $1 more and keep doing it. So let me not bore you up with this video. Let me just withdraw, and I'll update this video if I receive my payment, when I receive my payment. So they pay you to PayPal, or you can do Bitcoin. I don't want to use Bitcoin right now because I have some money on my PayPal. I want to top it up and then withdraw a big amount from PayPal. But you can withdraw from cryptocurrencies. I think it's Bitcoin or something. In my next withdrawal, I'll go to that. I'll use Bitcoin payment, cryptocurrency. But for now, let me use PayPal. I don't know, I've not withdrawn from this thing yet, so I'm new just like you. So that is my PayPal. And then these deductions are too much. $1.09 will be deducted for fee payment purposes. You will receive 5.7 within a few days through your selected payment method. They are taking $1.09 from my $6. Okay, not bad. Let me do that. I should receive that 5.77 within 1 to 4 business days based in the US calendar. Okay, so I think it's done. I'll need to wait for those days and then I'll update this video, and yeah, See you in the next video that I'll make. And please consider subscribing, like this video. Tell me if you have been using Neobux. Is it profitable? Is it not profitable? Is it a waste of time? Because to me, it's not a waste of time. If I was able to earn $6-7 within a short time, then it's something to give a shot, something to give a try, whatever. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. And it's been 12 hours since I recorded the last video, and Neobux has paid me, and I want to share with you. I woke up to this email today, so I just wanted to confirm that this thing is true or not. And as you can see, I woke up to that. The money they sent, that is $5.77, though they took a lot of money for transaction and all that, but it came within 12 hours. And yeah, here is my PayPal account. You can see it came. That is 5.77 from Neodev out to at Neobux, whatever. Yeah, so it works. Just remember to do the surveys. And a tip, just a little tip: when you are doing surveys, filling the profile, put your age to around 30, 35, 40. Don't say you are 20s. If you are 18, don't say you are 18, because you will be screened out. That's just a tip. And then rent referrals when you can. Make at least 0.06 rent referrals. Keep building. You can find different strategies of making it work. So I just wanted to prove the concept there that it works, and it really does. So I'm now into it. It takes 2 minutes a day, so 2 to 5 minutes a day. It's not something that will consume much of my time, so I'll be doing it. Maybe I can make $10 a week. Not bad. Yeah, so before we go, I've got something I wanted to share with you guys, and I need your help. Look at my channel. I look at how bad it's doing. I need this thing to be, at least it start going up a bit. It has been going low. So if you are new to this channel, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like this video, share this video. Let's blow it again. Okay? Let's get back to what it was. Let's grow. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be grateful. So currently it's really not encouraging, but I believe you're gonna help me out. So see you in my next video.